A hope for Dhanvarsha, three dead bodies, and the role of a tantric. We are diving into the mystery that was unfolded today by Delhi police. On Sunday afternoon, that is February 8, three bodies, two males and one female, was found inside a parked vehicle on the service lane near Piragadi flyover in outer Delhi. What began as a suicide case took a twisted turn when the police found out the role of a tantric into it. The bodies were identified as Randhir Singh, Shiv Naresh, and a lady Lakshmi Devi. It was revealed that both Randhir and Shiv Naresh knew each other, and the lady Lakshmi Devi was the helper of Mr. Randhir. What began as a suicide case was first neglected by the family members who claimed that neither of them was suffering from anything, neither they were in depression nor they were facing any financial burden. Now comes the role of a tantric. When police traced the route of the car, it was found that a fourth person was sitting on the passenger seat of the vehicle. He left, and the bodies were later found out by the passers-by who informed the police. And when the police arrived, they forced open the vehicle, and through the registration number of the vehicle, they could trace who the owner was, and the bodies were subsequently identified.
संडे को एक गाड़ी में 3 अनकॉन्शियस लोग की हमें कॉल मिली थी। जब चेक किया गया, पुलिस मौके पे पहुंची तो तीनों डेड थे। उसके बाद इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू की गई और इसके फैमिली मेंबर्स, इन लोग के जो मृतक थे उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स से पूछताछ की गई तो कोई सुसाइड का एंगल नहीं आ रहा था। तो हमारी विषय की गंभीरता को लेते हुए कई टीम्स बनाई जिसमें टेक्निकल एनालिसिस किया गया और वो कई लोगों से पूछताछ की गई और जब पूरे घटनाक्रम को एनालाइज किया गया तो इस बाबा का रोल सामने आ रहा था। फिर इससे सस्टेन पूछताछ में इसने बताया कि पैसों के लालच में इसने इस घटना को अंजाम दिया।
कि बाबा की डिटेल क्या है?
बाबा का नाम है कमरुद्दीन एलियास बाबा और ये अभी लोनी में अपना जो चलाता है पूरा काम। इसने इनसे आज 2 लाख रुपए मंगाए थे, जिसका ये करोड़ों 3 करोड़ या 3 करोड़ से ज्यादा की बात कर रहा था।
ये लोग इनके संपर्क में आए थे?
ये लोग जैसे हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स के लिए, लेडी के हस्बैंड की हेल्थ खराब थी तो उस हेल्थ ठीक करने के, क्योर करने के नाम पे वहां पहुंचे, जहां इसने मौका देखकर इनको एक शॉल से पैसे निकाल के दिखा दिए, जिससे कि इनका लालच आ गया।
बाबा का क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड
जी, अक्यूज के अभी तक 2 आपराधिक मामले तो सामने आए ही हैं, बट बाकी और भी अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जा रहा है।
अच्छा, बाबा के साथ कुछ और लोगों का भी कुछ सामने आया है जो मदद करता हूँ?
अभी तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है। अभी तक तो इसी का रोल लग रहा है, बाकी और इन्वेस्टिगेशन।
अच्छा सर, एक सेफ के लिए मैसेज कुछ सो कॉल्ड बाबा से बचने के लिए दिल्ली वालों को आप देना चाहेंगे?
किसी भी ऐसी स्कीम जिसके अंदर पैसे रातों रात डबल या फास्ट मनी, जो साइबर क्राइम भी होता है वो फास्ट मनी के लालच में होता है कई सारा, तो किसी भी ऐसी भ्रामक चीज में ना आए कि कोई पैसे डबल कर देगा या 10 गुना कर देगा या 100 गुना कर देगा। ये प्योर एक फर्जी चीज है और इसके झांसे में ना आए बिल्कुल।
The case took a twisted turn when the role of that tantric was uncovered by Delhi police. It first appeared that the tantric was involved in 2 similar cases, one in Rajasthan and another in Firozabad district of Uttar Pradesh. This lead helped Delhi police to crack one of the mysteries cases of outer North Delhi. The tantric was subsequently detained. He was identified as Kamruddin, a resident of Firozabad in Uttar Pradesh. With the help of these 2 FIRs, which were one in Rajasthan and the another one in Uttar Pradesh, the police was able to identify that the tantric was involved in similar incidents wherein in both the cases either the person was missing mysteriously or they died under mysterious circumstances. This helped the police and they connected the dots. Initially, the tantric was not revealing anything, but during sustained investigation, he and the circumstances which were surrounding like the previous FIRs, he accepted to the cops that yes, he killed all of them due to money. Now comes how the dots were connected. So on Saturday, they both went to his house in Loni. This was established by the police through the vehicle was seen passing through many CCTV cameras on the roads. The next day, the Baba told them to come to Loni to pick him up. He will double their money. So this forced them to go to the Baba. Now he told them to bring some alcohol and cool drinks. Meanwhile, when they were returning from Loni towards Delhi, the Baba gave them laddus which were filled with poison, and he intoxicated all three of them. It was found that the Baba met through Lakshmi. So the caretaker Lakshmi, she introduced, who was a resident of Jahangirpuri, she introduced the both of them to another person named Salim, who introduced them to the Baba. The Baba said that he will double the amount whatever they are earning due to some Tantra Vidya, and that is how three people lost their lives. This is all from my side. With my cameraman Mukesh Agarwal, I Rahul Gelawat for Tribune, New Delhi.